My name is T. Gopireddy. Today we are solving some problems in the second year 2B paper System of Circle chapter. In this chapter 6 marks will come in the public examinations. Exercise 2A problems. First problem, find K if the given circles are orthogonal. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. Let us assume these two are equations 1 and 2. Solution. Compare 1 and 2 with s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 and s dash is x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0 respectively. We obtain g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 12, g dash is equal to minus 2, f dash is equal to 3, c dash is equal to k. Here, compare s is equal to 0 and 1 equation. 2gx, that means x coefficient 2g. In equation number 1, x coefficient is minus 6. G is equal to minus 3. 2f is equal to minus 8. F is equal to minus 4. C is equal to 12. Similarly, 2 and s dash is equal to 0 compare, we will get g dash, f dash, c dash. We know if s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0 are orthogonal, then c plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Substitute g, f, c, g dash, f dash and c dash values in this formula. We get 12 plus k is equal to 2 into gg dash minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 into f dash minus 4 into 3. That is equal to 12 minus 24. Both sides cancel 12. K is equal to minus 24. Second problem. Find the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 59 is equal to 0. Compare 1 and 2 with s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0. Then g is equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 41. G dash is equal to 2, f dash is equal to 3, c dash is equal to minus 59. If theta be the angle between the circles, then cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2 gg dash minus 2 ff dash by 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c into root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Substitute g, f, c, g dash, f dash, c dash values in RHS. We get that is equal to 41 minus 59 minus 2 into minus 6 into 2 plus 2 into 3 into 3 by 2 into root of 36 plus 9 minus 41 into root of 4 plus 9 plus 59. That means g square plus f square minus c into root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. If you simplify it, we will get that is equal to 24 by 2 into 6 root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. We know that cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is equal to cos 45. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degrees. Just I am giving two problems. One is first example, second is another example. So you do these two problems in this model. Third example, show that the circles intersect orthogonally. The given circles are x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0, equation number 1, and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Solution. Compare 1 and 2 with s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0. Then g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 11. G dash is equal to minus 2, f dash is equal to minus 4, c dash is equal to 11. Already we know that if two circles s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0 are orthogonal, then the condition is c plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Substitute g, f, c, g dash, f dash, c dash values in this condition. We get LHS c plus c dash minus 11 plus 11 is equal to 2g g dash 2 into g dash minus 2 plus 2f f dash 2 into f is equal to minus 1, f dash is equal to minus 4. LHS minus 11 plus 11 is equal to 0. RHS minus 4 plus 4, minus 8 plus 8, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. So 1 and 2 are orthogonal because 1 and 2 satisfy the condition c plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Next one more example. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the origin and intersects the given circles orthogonally. Let us assume the given circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0, equation number 1. X square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Equation of the circle passing through the origin is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Since c is equal to 0, assume this equation number 3. Already we know the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If it passes through the origin, substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in that equation, we get c is equal to 0. So, the equation of the circle which is passing through the origin is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Next, we know that s is equal to 0, s dash is equal to 0. The two circles intersect orthogonally. The condition is c plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Now, 1 and 3 are orthogonal. So, c plus c dash is equal to 0 plus 10 is equal to 2 into g dash minus 2 plus 2 into f dash 3. That implies minus 2g plus 3f is equal to 5, dividing both sides by 2. Next, 2 and 3 are orthogonal. Same condition, c plus c dash is equal to 2g g dash plus 2f f dash. Substitute the values. 0 plus c, 6 is equal to 2 into g into 0. Because in the second equation there is no x term. G dash is equal to 0. Plus 2f into 6. That implies 2f is equal to 1, f is equal to 1 by 2. From equation number 4, if we substitute f value, 2g is equal to 3f minus 5, that is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5, that is equal to minus 7 by 2. From third equation, the required circle equation is x square plus y square, 2g is equal to minus 7 by 2x, 2f is equal to 1 into y is equal to 0. If you simplify it or multiply both sides by 2, that implies 2 into x square plus y square minus 7x plus 2y is equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. About these two problems, I am giving two examples, homework problems. This is page number 88, fourth problem, first bit, third bit, fourth bit. Same page number 88, Roman number 2, first problem, one bit and second problem. You do these problems and also do some more problems in the exercise.